I-open nyo po ang TikTok na app. Pindutin ang profile. Ngayon, dito sa inyong profile, pindutin ang shop. Under sa tools, pindutin ang commissions. So, ayan guys, no? Meron na akong 74.39 na available commission sa aking pagiging affiliate dito sa TikTok. This is my first commission. First commission that I received sa pagiging affiliate ko. Ngayon, ang gawin po ninyo para ma-withdraw po ninyo ang inyong commission, pindutin ang withdraw. Ngayon, pindutin ang add payment account. So, dahil first time ko pa na naka-receive ng commission, so hindi pa ako naka-add ng payment account. So, mag-a-add ako guys. No, pindutin lang ang add payment account. O, dalawa ang pagpipilian po ninyo na payout method. Isa is GCash and isa is bank transfer. For GCash, kung GCash po ang pipiliin po ninyo, funds should arrive in 1 business day and minimum withdrawal amount is 10 pesos and maximum withdrawal amount is 100,000 pesos. But so, dito naman po may bank transfer. Funds should arrive in 3 to 6 business days. Minimum withdrawal amount is 10 pesos and maximum withdrawal amount is 25 million. Pipiliin ko po is GCash. GCash ang pipiliin ko dahil 1 business day lang, 'di ba? At hindi naman ako nagmamadali. And meron din akong GCash na app or account. So, ayan, pindutin niyo lang ang arrow. Ayan. May note sila na entering incorrect information will result in declined transactions and you will be responsible for any costs associated with processing your request. So, dapat guys, i-sure nyo na ang number na inyong i-input dito sa phone number, ang inyong ililink sa inyong GCash is correct. So, itatype ko na guys. I-set ko to as primary account and then click submit. So, ayan. I-input natin dito yung verification code na natanggap natin sa GCash number ko. I-input nyo lang ang inyong GCash number and then click submit. So, ayan. I-withdraw natin yung ating commission. So, 74 po, 39 ang aking i-withdraw. I-withdraw ko lahat guys. Gusto ko lang malaman kung totoo ba to talaga, legit ba to na mapupunta talaga sa aking GCash account, no? So, i-withdraw na natin. Oh, may service fee, no, na 5.60. Guys, i-withdraw na natin. Click withdraw. So, ang marireceive ko po is 68.79 na lang dahil may service fee. So, may note dito na entering incorrect information will result in declined transactions and you will be responsible for any costs associated with processing your request. Pindutin ang confirm to withdraw. Confirm to withdraw. Ayan. So, hintayin na lang natin na mapupunta sa aking GCash account ang withdraw ko na fund. So, ayan guys. Ngayon guys, ay pindutin ng back. I-check ko lang kung zero na ba yung balance ko sa commission. I-check natin ngayon kung na-receive ko ba ang aking tinransfer na fund, aking commission sa GCash. Ngayon ay i-check ko sa transactions kung na-receive ko ba talaga yung commission ko. Na-receive natin ang aking commission na 68.79, no? Ang bilis guys, 1 second lang na-receive ko kagad ang aking withdraw na commission guys, no? So, ganyan lang ang gawin nyo kapag gusto nyong i-withdraw ang inyong commission sa TikTok. Ganito lang ang gawin nyo. Napakadali lang, guys. Sana ay may natutunan po kayo sa video na ito. Kung nakatulong, please subscribe.